Need to adjust the due date for your Klarna payments to better align with your payday? In this video, I'll explain your options for changing your payment schedule. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While you can't arbitrarily change the date of your first pay-in-4 payment, Klarna does offer some flexibility for rescheduling subsequent payments. Open the Klarna app and go to the Payments tab. Find the purchase whose schedule you want to adjust and tap on it. If you need more time for an upcoming installment, look for an option that says Reschedule Payment or Change Date. Klarna may allow you to postpone it by a few days or weeks. It's important to note that this feature is not always available for every purchase and may be subject to Klarna's internal policy. You cannot reschedule a payment that is already due or overdue. A crucial pro tip: the best time to reschedule is before the payment due date. If you know a payment will be tight, check the app a few days in advance to see if you can move it. This is much better for your standing than missing a payment. And just like that, you have more control over your cash flow. Changing your payment schedule can help you manage your budget effectively. Have you ever needed to reschedule a Klarna payment? How was your experience? Share your story below. To keep your info current, subscribe for our next video on how to update your Klarna billing address. Thanks for watching.